Hello everyone, it's Natasha here. Today I'm going to be sharing with you all how you can transform yourself from looking like an average person at your age into a more youthful version, or how I went from looking like this into looking like this. There's a couple disclaimers I do want to give before diving into this video, and that is number one, that looks aren't everything. There are obviously way more important qualities and characteristics to possess other than youthfulness or outward beauty, and I think that should be the biggest priority for people before they even hear the rest of what is going to be said in this video. Of course, we all want to look and feel our best, but if there is someone out there who feels as if their physical appearance is the most important thing that they bring to the table, I just want it to be known that your character and your heart are the things that will truly keep you youthful forever, regardless of what you look like. For disclaimer number two, which is much less deep, I am going to be mentioning more techniques than just diet and exercise, but if you are someone who does already practice healthy habits with nutrition and physical activity, then you are more likely already in better condition compared to the average person, and you will have less room for drastic transformation. So good for you, because you might already be in peak condition for your age. Another thing I need to mention is that when I say the average person, I am talking about the average American as far as age and appearance. So if you are from somewhere else and the average person in your community is in better shape than the average American, then good for you as well. And you may see less of a Benjamin Button transformation utilizing these tips because you are already in pretty good condition for your age. Now that all of that has been said, let's go ahead and get into what you can do to age backwards. The action that has provided me with the greatest results to my physical appearance has been exercise. And not just any exercise, but in the way I exercise. Just exercising isn't necessarily going to provide you with anti-aging benefits. You have to be performing the right kind of exercises in order to reap anti-aging benefits. Research has shown that regularly performing cardiovascular exercise has anti-aging benefits. Your cardiovascular system includes your heart, which is responsible for pumping blood throughout your body to your organs, including your skin. Regularly working the cardiovascular system with cardiovascular training helps to allow your skin to be fed with all the nutrients it needs to keep your skin healthy, preventing wrinkles, sagging, and discoloration. There is honestly so much that could be said as far as research, but I do want to share my own personal experience with seeing the effects of my lifestyle impact my physical appearance firsthand. As you may know, fitness trends for women and body standards for women continue to change throughout the years, and for me personally, I chose to change the way in which I was working out in the pursuit of success on social media. Just a little background, I am a content creator and I have been posting online since 2016. It has been a process and a journey, but I know that content creation is the career for me and I refuse to give up until I've made it. But anyways, for this reason, right off the bat, you already know I wasn't really changing the way in which I worked out for myself, as in within my very soul, because I really just wanted to have a physical transformation for social media in order to find success in this space that I have been wanting to have as my career for literal years. I completely understand if you think that's messed up. The way I see it, it was a business move. What I had been doing for so long online was not working. So I decided to try a different approach. That only makes sense. You can't expect to do the same things and get different results. I had come across Daisy Keach in a collaborative YouTube video. If you guys don't know who Daisy Keach is, she is a fitness influencer who put on a lot of muscle mass in her gluteal area and now successfully sells booty fitness programs online. This was my big inspiration behind me beginning my serious shift into weightlifting, but by switching my focus into weightlifting, I had a serious loss in my cardiovascular fitness and my youthfulness, and my fitness level all took a turn in a way that I wasn't happy with. At the start of my fitness journey, I followed a self-made program and it gave me incredible results. I was putting on muscle while still maintaining my cardiovascular fitness, but it just wasn't sustainable for me. And because of that, because weightlifting was being placed as my priority, I aged so fast in so little time. I lifted weights consistently throughout the year of 2021, and I truly never felt more my actual age, which is almost in my 30s. I'm 29, but I kid you not, it was like I aged 5 years in one. The entire experience of prioritizing weightlifting and having a goal of weight gain versus weight loss was honestly more of an experience of a social experiment than just a muscle growth journey. People were calling me ma'am a lot, which I did not like. I understand that I am a ma'am, like I am I am a 29-year-old full-grown woman, but I really do not identify with that term. But that lifestyle of not regularly performing cardio really had a major impact on my appearance in what, in my opinion, was a negative way. I did not look as youthful and I definitely was not as fit. In no way am I trying to say that weight gain made me less beautiful, because it didn't. I was always beautiful and that never changed. But I definitely noticed the signs of aging in my appearance when I was not prioritizing cardio. So what does this mean? How can you use cardio to make the biggest impact on your physical appearance, to remain youthful or reverse the aging process if you've already seen those effects happening to you like I did? It's honestly really simple. As far as conceptually, you need to follow the recommended guidelines for fitness. In layman's terms, you have to consistently be performing cardiovascular exercises on pretty much a daily basis. The recommended guidelines for cardiovascular training is to perform 30 minutes of cardio exercise 5 days a week, and it is only recommended that you perform weightlifting 1 to 2 times a week. So even though it is trendy and a lot of social media encourages lifting more often for aesthetic reasons, the recommended guidelines and the methods of exercise that are going to keep you young looking for longer require you to prioritize cardiovascular fitness. I'm not saying that weight training can't also help you to have a nice body. I definitely enjoy body weight training and I feel that it provides me with great results paired with cardiovascular training, but it is regular cardiovascular exercise that will provide you with the best natural anti-aging effects. And just to clarify, cardiovascular training is any form of exercise that increases your heart rate and pushes it to more efficiently pump blood and nutrients throughout your body, as well as enabling the ease of oxygen into your lungs. Most repetitive forms of exercise that utilize large muscles of the body, such as running, swimming, cycling, walking, skating, dancing, etc., are cardiovascular exercises. The form of cardio that I feel provides me with the greatest results is the use of an elliptical machine. I started out at 30 minutes on this machine, but have worked my way up to an hour, and I try to do that 5 to 6 days a week. There are certain methods to remaining youthful that I think most people are aware of already. Obviously, I just went into quite a bit of detail on exercise, but I will also mention that eating well and providing your body with all the proper nutrients it needs will also aid in benefiting the appearance of your skin, hair, and nails, and overall helping you achieve a more youthful look. This means not restricting yourself, but providing your body with a variety of foods, proteins, carbs, fruits, vegetables, desserts, in moderation. All the things, while not overindulging, is going to help your body in reversing the clock if you are someone who eats or drinks in a less healthy way. Along with this, I also want to mention that alcohol consumption, even just in regular moderate doses, can cause wrinkly skin, redness, and a dry complexion. And smoking can also cause premature wrinkles as well. So if you want to remain youthful for as long as possible, quitting the habit of drinking or smoking or never picking up these habits to begin with will greatly help you. The next method for aging backwards that I myself have also been utilizing is red light therapy. For those of you who don't know, I work in a tanning salon and we have tanning beds and a red light bed. Red light therapy is literally incredible for rejuvenating your skin, improving your facial and overall skin complexion, and also can improve the feeling of your skin. Results do vary from person to person, but overwhelmingly people have positive results from red light therapy as a treatment for a plethora of conditions, including acne, reducing scarring, psoriasis, eczema, depression. The list goes on and on. There are so many positives. I honestly could make an entire video purely dedicated to red light therapy, but for now I will just list some of the positives. Red light therapy increases collagen production, improves the skin's elasticity, improves the circulation of blood and tissue cells, helps to stimulate the cells, speeds up cell metabolism and increases cell turnover, improves the texture of the face, and reduces fine lines and wrinkles. If you're in a situation like I am, in which you are losing body mass due to weight loss, but you still want that nice, tight, youthful skin that had previously been stretched with fat or muscle or both, red light therapy is my holy grail additive, along with exercise, that's helping me feel confident and happy with the changes in my physical appearance into restoring a youthful look. I just used red light therapy last night and today at the bank. Instead of getting called ma'am, I was called kiddo, which was very happy making. And you can also get awesome results into a more youthful appearance by following these tactics. We can all live our dream lives in which we are feeling our best and are our most confident selves. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if it has provided you with some helpful information, or if you just enjoyed watching. Thanks for joining in on this conversation today, and hopefully I'll be seeing you all in my next video. Till next time, bye!